Hi, I'm Allison Pryor, and if this is the first time you've been to my channel, welcome and hi. I teach acrylic paintings for the beginner, and I have lots of tips and tricks for you. So today I wanted to talk about brushes. I just wanted to talk about the different types of brushes. I'm not going to show you how to use them today. I just want to compare the synthetic brushes with the bristle brushes. Bristle brushes, okay? And so I'm just going to show you what I have, and there's only some of the brushes I have, but I just want to show you. A lot of people ask me, like, I don't know what kind of brushes to buy. I don't know what kind of hairs they should be, what the brand names, anything like that. So I'm going to do my best to clear all that up. Now, I buy my brushes Walmart, Dollar Store, Amazon, and I don't particularly worry about the brand too much. If they're, I take them home and try them out, and if I don't like them, I won't buy them again. But Dollar and Rowney, and they have some really nice sponsoring brushes. None of this. I wish I were, but I'm not. I'm just doing this to help you out as best I can, okay? This is a bristle brush. See the bristles on that, how hard they are? And they're always white, They're stiff and they're white. And these are great. I'm going to show you a couple little samples of what they can do, okay? And these are great for pouncing and for tapping, smudging, dry brushing, anything that requires a lot of pushing and touching and scrubbing. These are great for that. So I wish you could feel them, but when you go into the stores, make sure that the bottom might be a different color, but usually the bristles are that beige color, okay? So that's, and you can have different sizes, of course. I try to get at least 3 sizes of bristle brushes, all right? I try to get this, it's a smaller one, but you can get them smaller than that. I got a package of them. You can buy packages of brushes. This one is North Shore. I don't, probably got to Walmart or online, I'm not sure. But, you buy a package of them. They're only cheap, they're not real expensive, and you don't have to worry about it. And they have all the different types in there, you can see, right? I'm going to show you those. All these softer ones synthetic, okay? They could be synthetic or nylon, but some of the nylon ones are slippery and they don't absorb, they don't hold the paint. These hold the paint really nice, and they're chiseled edge. Most of these synthetic brushes are chiseled edge, which is great for getting around lines and things, but the bristles, you can't really get around the lines because they leave these, marks, and they're not really that good. But that's the synthetic. So like I say, you can have a 2-inch bristle brush, 2-inch. These are really nice, and you can have, well, there's one without the package on it, but see the tops of those? See those, how they are? They're not just straight across. There's some popping out. They make fantastic flowers and foliage. And these are the ones you're going to pounce, 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 right? And that's why I have this 1-inch that I use all the time. And I put my name on it because people ask me if I can send them one, and charge shipping, because I don't charge for the brush. It's not that expensive. You can go over to you can probably get I have a link in my Amazon shop now. You can buy brushes like these, right? But you can also try your paint shop or dollar stores. Pure bristle, and it's these are nice. They also have that top on them. You can make flowers and punch, 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 punch. So I mean, when you go buy brushes, I'll just go through this again in a minute. I'm just introducing you to some of them. And these are bristle. This is a bristle fan brush. It's a nice big brush. It'd be great if you're doing a 16 by 20 canvas. If you're doing some nice also some nice trees and clouds, and that's bristle. So I also have some fan brushes, and this one is a synthetic. See, you'll know the difference from synthetic or a nice soft brush like these, okay, like that. You'll know the difference between that and the bristle. You'll know the difference by the color, okay, which is a cream color, and this one's usually a darker color. Or they can be this color. Okay, that's the same. But what you're looking for is the chiseled edge, okay? See how chiseled it is? Well, see, with the bristle, they're all open up, right? So this is how you'll know the difference between the bristle and the synthetic, all right? So when you go out to the store and you want to buy the proper brushes and you want to know what you're buying, have a look for those types of brushes. And all you need are 3 sizes. You don't need like 15, right? You don't need 15. A lot of people buy because they don't know what to buy. I did the same thing when I was just doing it new, and when I went and bought brushes, I didn't know what to buy, so I just bought everything and hope for the best. Didn't know what to do with them or anything. It was like, what a waste of money. But anyway, that's all you can do, right? But if you can get a video like this one to tell you what to buy, that way you can save some money. This one here is a synthetic, but for some reason I couldn't get it to chisel. See how it's opening up? And even when I wet it, it won't stay together. It opens up. So you got to be careful of that. So if you're looking at a brush like this, a synthetic, and it opens up right here like this, then don't buy it, because these are the ones that you want to buy for the chiseled edge. All right, chiseled edge, very important. You'll know when you're painting with them. You'll know. This is a bristle. I like these bristles. I don't use them big lot, but this is a bristle round brush. This is nice for clouds and making circles, and it's a bristle. So what happens is you can really scrub it in. So that's nice. Round ones are nice too. I don't use them big lot, but I sometimes I'll pick it up. Also, I bought this one here. Actually, my hubby bought it for me for a Christmas gift over to the dollar store. It's okay, $4, look, right? And they got all different types in there. They got the chiseled edge flats, and they got all kinds. How many brushes are in that? I mean, for 10-piece brush set, 3 round, 4 filbert, and 3 flat. I mean, they work to me. That's a bargain. I must say, I'm really happy with that. See, and look, it even comes with a nice little cloth pouch that you can put them in. But look at them, they're gorgeous. And they got the chiseled edges. And they got a couple of those filberts. I like the flats. Flats work really well. Got chisel there. They're chiseled. When you wet them, they chisel even more. Alright. These are really nice, I got to say. And like I said, I'm not being sponsored, so don't go thinking that. I want to just help you out. I just want to help you. Helping you brings you back to my videos. If I don't have an audience, I'm just sitting here by myself. But I know you're out there, so don't feel like I'm alone here. I know you're there. I know you're watching me. So, I'm very happy to do this stuff. And you give me feedback, too. You give me nice... the comments are amazing. So, that's why I do this, right? Because you guys make me feel so good. There's, this round one is an oval wash. Or a mop brush. I don't know, whatever you want to call it. Now, these are nice for blending. It's very soft. Very soft, okay? And you can buy those also at, where you buy these? Buy these in your makeup section. These are makeup brushes. See? But they're beautiful. Oh, and something, makeup brushes work really well. Makeup brushes, you can't buy brushes, even paint brushes that are as good as some of these makeup brushes. Like, these are makeup brushes, right? I haven't even opened these yet. I bought these and I put them. I didn't even open them. So these also got from Dollar Store, okay? There's Dollar Store, Dollarama, Great Canadian Dollar Store. They're all based on the same price. You can use that for blending. But makeup brushes are really nice to use. And they don't shed either. Some people have problems with their brushes shedding. Now, the reason why your brush sheds is because it's brand new. So what you need to do so it won't shed is to wipe it in some tissue. Put in water first, wipe it in some tissue, and then all the old bristles, the loose bristles will come out. And then when you use it, it should be perfectly fine. I don't have any problems with my brushes. I did have a couple that really shed a lot, and so I just cleaned them up as if they were dirty, and then when they dried, then they were fine. So that's how that works. I think that's a good help for you to decide what brushes you need. This is not about the liner brushes and the fan brushes and different types of brushes and how to use them. This is more about comparing your bristle brush to your synthetic brush to see what way they work. You need both. You need both. But the synthetic has a chiseled edge. You can do all kinds of stuff with it. But for bristle, for tapping and grass and things like, definitely have a bristle brushes. Okay, and so that's the difference between the two brushes. And I hope this helped you. And I hope now you can go out and buy some brushes with confidence, and then take them home, practice with them, and see what you like best. So I'm going to say, I'm going to see you in the next video, and let me know what else you like to know, because I mean, I could sit here and talk all day about brushes and paints and paintings and supports and all kinds of stuff. And I even have some podcasts out now too. I'm putting up some podcasts so you can just listen, you don't have to watch. And yeah, so I'll put out some podcasts to help you just listen while you're driving, or just while you're sitting down relaxing, knitting, or while you're even painting a painting, you can listen to me, give you some advice and tell you, certain things some tips and things. And so that's what I want to do. I do podcasts, YouTube videos, and whatever else I can think of, I'm trying to get into live streams. I'd love to do live streams more. So anyway, that's it. I'm going to leave you, and I'm going to see you in the next video. Bye now from Allison Pryor. Don't forget to subscribe and like.